Correct your English. The car was left alone. The car was found abandoned. AC is the full form for air conditioning. AC is the standard abbreviation for air conditioning. She has a great ability to sing. She has an exceptional ability to sing. She has an extraordinary ability to sing. She has an outstanding ability to sing. She has an innate ability to sing. She has a natural ability to sing. She has inherent ability to sing. She showed her skill. She demonstrated her skill. Don't lower her ability. Don't undermine her ability. Don't underestimate her ability. They put fire on the truck. The truck was set ablaze. The government stopped the project for the time being. The government abandoned the project temporarily. The government abandoned the project voluntarily for the time being or temporarily. He can do that. He is able.